Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by identifying the microcontroller and whether a bootloader is already installed. This determines your flashing path. Next, install the toolchain such as QMK and MSys2 or other firmware SDKs. Make sure path variables are set. Once done, collect the USB cable and, if needed, an ISB programmer. Export or copy your current keymap and EEPROM backup before touching flash. This preserves layouts and macros so you can recover if something goes wrong. You now clone the firmware repository and pick the keyboard folder matching your PCB. Edit keymap, config, and rules to enable layers, RGB, debounce, and USB descriptors. Comment why each change exists so you remember decisions. Then run the build command, make keyboard, keymap or QMK compile, and read errors carefully. If a missing header or macro breaks compile, incrementally revert recent edits, rerun, and confirm compile succeeds before proceeding to flashing to avoid bricking the board. You flash the built firmware by entering the bootloader and using QMK Flash or your programmer utility. Watch the progress bar and verify exit code. Once flashed, test every key, each layer, lighting, and macros to ensure behavior matches expectations. Use a switch tester or key event viewer. If something fails, reflash your backup image, inspect solder joints and wiring, and review the build and bootloader logs for errors. This single troubleshooting tip, revert then isolate, saves time and prevents repeated damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.